community is said to be based on languages and common tradition of origin. Their original homeland is traced to Oyo in the western Nigeria. Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si aujourd'hui c'est votre première fois, bienvenue. Si vous êtes déjà dans notre communauté, vous êtes bienvenue aussi. N'oubliez pas d'aimer, de vous abonner et de laisser un commentaire. Merci. Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is first time you're tuning in, welcome. If you're already in our community, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you. Like we talked about in the previous videos, Ewe people occupied the Volta region of Ghana, and also they migrated from Togo, or they used to be the British Togoland. So today we're going to be talking about the origin of the Ewe people. Where do they come from? How did they move? What is their ancestral origin? So that is what we're going to be talking about today. According to different articles, the heritage of the Ewe people might seem quite confusing, but today I'm going to be listing out the ones I was able to get, so at the end of the day you get to decide where do you think these people actually come from. First article states that the origin of the Ewe people was traced back to Oyo in western Nigeria, which was a major Yoruba tribe. Far back as the 13th century CE, they were originally called the Dogbo people. Second article, according to the oral narratives of migration, usually defined as Zotutu, the Ewe moved from westward from northern areas in the present-day Benin and settled after successive displacement and subdivision in what is nowadays Togo and eastern Ghana. That article states that while a lot of accounts on the origin of the Ewe people have been traced to Nigeria, the Mankrado Ewe Dim has revealed that they actually take their roots from the original Hebrews. However, the fourth article have almost the same narrative as the second article, which states that the Ewe people originally came from Ketu, a Yoruba area in the modern-day Benin. The last article states that it is said that Ewes were part of the Oyo Empire until we fled due to many factors: collapse of Oyo, Fulani invasion and infighting, and politics, and so on and so forth. So if you want to get more clarity in this topic, I would advise that you go read the book called Ewe by Efuri Akaya, 1998. But at the end of the day, I think it boils down to the fact that Ewe people came from the Yoruba Kingdom of Oyo State. I think all the articles are practically saying the same thing. Tell me if I'm wrong, tell me your conclusions, and leave a comment and like and subscribe. Thank you. Au revoir. Bye bye. Bisous.